Greetings everyone, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to talk to you about using Microsoft Word with Act Premium Cloud. So it's very common when people might want to write a letter, and if they use Microsoft Word, the way they would do that is this. They would come up and click on Write, and I want to draw your attention to a couple things. First, because you're using the cloud version of Act, you have to download and install the Microsoft Word integration. And I'm going to click on this. If you haven't done this already, you will need to know your Act Premium Cloud password, type it in there, and then you'll be able to download and install the software you need to make this work. I have already done that, so I'm not going to address this in this video, but if you haven't done that, that's the first step to make sure that you can use Word with Act Premium Cloud. I will produce a video on how to do that separately. So for this moment, I'm going to click cancel. So I'm going to come up and I'm going to go write. And when I write, I can do just a plain letter. I could do something and send it to email. But in this case, I'm going to come down and just click on other document. I'm going to use one of the built-in templates. And I'm going to click on this right here and click on open. So this is a template that comes with Act. Now what I want you to notice that something different happened here. Because we're using Act in a web browser, up here all of a sudden there are downloads. And I'm using Microsoft Edge. You might see this pop up down at the bottom left. In this case, because I'm using Edge, I see it up here. What I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to click on Open File. And this can throw you off if you're a long-time Act user. Now when I do this, it's creating the document. The document will pop up on the screen in Microsoft Word. And there we go. That is the document. So at this point, you can print this, you can edit it, you can do whatever you need to do with it. But that is how you create a document in Act Premium Cloud using Microsoft Word. Thank you so very much. You have a great day. Bye now.